Here is how to build a document management system in Notion, step by step. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page that will hold the full system. This page will act as the main place where your documents are tracked, organized, and reviewed. Give the page a clear title so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you are working across several workspaces or projects. Once the page is ready, create a new database. Choose a table database so each document can be stored as its own entry with structured information beside it. The table format gives you a clear view of document details and makes it easier to sort and filter records as the collection grows. After the database appears, add the properties you want to use for each document. Set up fields for document name, category, owner, status, last updated, tags, and files and media. These properties will define how the system works. Document name gives each record a clear label. Category can separate contracts, reports, policies, or other document types. Owner shows who is responsible for the document. Status helps track whether it is active, under review, archived, or in another stage. Last updated keeps a visible record of recent changes. Tags can add extra context, and files and media is where the actual document will be stored. With the structure in place, begin adding your documents. Create a new entry for each file you want to track. Fill in the related properties for that document, then upload the file through the Files and Media field. If a document already exists outside Notion, attach that file directly to the matching row so the record and file stay connected. Next, create different views for the database. Add views such as table, list, gallery, or board, depending on how you want to look through the records. The table view is useful for seeing all document details at once. A list view can reduce visual clutter. A gallery view can make document groups easier to scan, and a board view can help if you want to arrange records by status or another property. Once the views are added, organize the database with filters, sorting, and grouping. Filter documents by category, owner, or status when you need to narrow the list. Sort by last updated to bring recent changes to the top, or group records so related items stay together on screen. This part shapes the system into something you can review quickly without scanning every entry. As documents change over time, update the information in each record. Edit properties when ownership shifts, status changes, or categories need adjustment. Replace files in the Files and Media field when a newer version becomes the current one. Keeping each record current helps the database stay reliable. Finally, share the database with your team and review it regularly so outdated records, missing files, or old statuses can be corrected. Your Notion document management system is now set up with a shared database, organized views, and up to date document records.